I have a good friend who founded and is the CEO of a very successful software company. A couple of years ago, I said to him, "You're busy, your personal hourly rate is very high. Why don't you offload some of those bookkeeping tasks to me? Just makes sense." He thought about it just for a minute and said, "No, I like spending at least those couple hours per month with my numbers so that I can keep my finger on exactly what's going on in my business. Because the numbers are the truth of a business." Now, I think a lot of you probably have that instinct. I think you know that the numbers really indicate the health or lack of health in a business, but you don't know what to do with them. You don't know how to gather them. You're working with bad information. Your experience with numbers is probably mostly looking at reports that go exclusively into the past or looking at projections that go exclusively into the future. And then you combine that information with your checking account balance and maybe your credit card balances, and you try to use all that to decide, well, what can I afford? I don't know what I can afford. You need a better framework. It's not that you're bad with money, bad with numbers. It's not that you're not a math person or whatever story you've told yourself about this process. The reality is you need a better framework. I've developed something I call the actual pending possible cash flow method. Actual deals with the transactions that have already happened and what that money did. It also deals with the cash that's on hand today and what you want that cash to do. Then we look at what's pending. And what's pending is what you owe to contractors and subscriptions and taxes and any other overhead that you have to pay out. Pending also deals with money that your clients owe you, subscriptions that people are paying you, invoices that you have outstanding that will be paid into your business. And then possible deals with your projections, your goals, your dreams, your possibilities. The actual pending possible system pulls all three of those types of data together and allows you to say, I know exactly how much money I have, I know exactly what I want it to do and what it needs to do in order for me to stay on track to achieve my goals. This is the system that I implement in my clients' businesses. This is the system that I want to teach to you. My name is Mark Butler. My clients call me the budget nerd. They also call me their CFO. But in this webinar, I want to teach you strategic bookkeeping. It's the system that you can implement for yourself or that you could have someone like me help you implement that will allow you to get in touch with your numbers, stay in touch with your numbers, get totally clear about what needs to happen for you to reach your goals, and get rid of all the stress that you've been feeling around the money aspect of your business. I hope you'll make it to the webinar, and I look forward to interacting with you. See you there.